Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Canvas app and then upload a picture of an assignment through that app. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, you'll have to open up your App Store. So we need to download the app first, right? So I'm going to, in the search bar, search for Canvas, and then you actually want the Canvas app for students, so I'm just going to put Canvas Student is the one that you'll need. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install that, and that's going to take a moment here to download. So while we're waiting for that, make sure you have your school email and password available, because you will need that to make sure that you can get logged in here. Right, so make sure that you're using your school email, so your school Gmail account, and then password. Alright, so you'll need to know those two things. Alright, so now that the app is done downloading, we're going to open that up. Okay. And then you need to find your school. So we're going to go there, and we're going to start typing in La Crosse, and hopefully it'll pop up here in a sec. Alright, so we want La Crosse School District and faculty and students, so that first option there. And that will take you to the correct URL for Canvas. So again, you're going to use your school email and password. So my school email is kvaldez with an E, and then it's at lacrossesd.org, so I already have that saved here. And then we're going to click next. I'm going to enter my password, but I don't want you to see that, so super secret here. So I'm entering my password. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and sign in. Do I want to stay signed in? Sure. Okay, so then it's going to take you to the Canvas app, right? And then this is really handy if you're using either a cell phone or an iPad or a tablet, because then you can take a picture of your assignment and upload it there. So say I want to upload an assignment for this geometry extended class, right? So I'm going to click that class, and then you will have less options because yours is going to be probably as a student mode. Mine's in teacher mode, so it looks a little bit different. But I'm going to go to the home page here. All right, and then I'm going to see if I can do student view. I don't want to edit it. Okay, so if we go to content, that's going to take me to all of my assignments. So in chapter 1, I had this assignment that was due yesterday at midnight, so maybe let's try that one. So if I want to submit an assignment, I can click this at the bottom, and I can do a file upload. So what it's going to do is it's actually going to let me use my camera, and I'm going to have to allow Canvas to take pictures, so sure, let's do that. And then I've got my assignment handy, so all I have to do is go to that pre 1.0 worksheet. As you can see, I did not do a very good job because none of it's done, but then I can take a picture of that assignment using the camera on my phone. And now if you notice, I've got that picture right there. I can say check, that's the one I want to use. And then just make sure it's not an HEIC file. If it is, you'll have to contact me on how to change that. But if you're using an Android phone, it will probably give you a JPEG. and then I want to submit that. So I just click submit, and then if I look up here, it says submission failed. I think it's because my internet connection's not working, so you do have to be connected to the internet to do this, but that should work. If it doesn't, let me know, and we will take a look at it. But that's pretty handy, so if you don't want to send the file to your laptop, you can use that app to do it. All right. So hopefully that helped. If you run into any technical difficulties, let me know, or you can contact Miss Halter in the LMC.